FUBSend.bat is a process that you may notice in your task manager without any visible window or purpose. But as the analyzer shows, it belongs to a rather dangerous malware known as loader virus. In this video, I will explain why it is dangerous, how it gets into the system, and how to remove it. So, starting with the dangers, as I said, FUBSend.bat is a process of a drop of virus, a malicious program that aims at delivering other threats to your computer. Imagine it as a thing that creates a direct pathway for the malware, so they will appear and start running without any visible signs or user interaction. This dropper is also known for disabling security mechanisms and getting highest privileges, so the malware it delivers will operate without any obstacles. For the viruses that it can deliver, there are no real limitations, as this malware has quite an extensive toolkit that allows it to run malicious programs in almost any form. But most often, this way of loading into target system is used by backdoors, spyware, and ransomware. As the dropper stays active for a long time, malware injections may happen over time as well, so it is not just an entire bundle at once, but malware comes one by one. Because of this, the user can miss the signs of a threat until it is too late. The obvious question is, how did you get one of these? And the answer in fact changes all the time, as malware adopts new and new spreading techniques every day. Users say about downloading it while browsing some sketchy websites, which aligns well with one of the current trends. Hackers trick people into executing malicious scripts under the guise of human verification. Yet, it is possible to get these or similar malicious programs in the pirated applications or other questionable apps downloaded from low-trust websites. The general rule of thumb here is that all semi-legal or low-trust sites and programs can have malware inside. And if you dealt with something like this recently, well, that may be the reason why you are watching this video. Now, let me show you how to remove FUBSend.bat virus from the system. Dropper malware does an excellent job at hiding itself in system files, including places that are protected from user interruptions. That makes manual removal approaches much less effective, as the dropper will simply recover itself as soon as you try deleting its files. For that reason, I recommend doing an automated removal with Soft anti-malware. This program will quickly find and delete even the most modern malware, regardless of how deeply it hides its files. Download it by the link in the video description and run a full scan. That will make the program check the entire system, down to system configuration files and registry. The scan will take around 15 minutes. After the scan, click the Clean Now button to delete all the detected malicious programs. I would also recommend resetting all the passwords that you use in that system, just in case there was some spyware or info stealers among the malicious programs. Now the system is clean. Good luck and stay safe online.